Yeah, another one. Today is my daughter's last soccer game, and I hope they win. But as you've read in the comment, as you've read in the title, all of my cars are down. This is the only one that's not down, and this is the one that No Drama Baby Mama's driving until I can deliver her CLS back to her. And let me unlock this again. I just want to show you guys the condition I'm going to get this car back in. Okay. Yeah, so all the parents out there that do have children, what is all of this? That's ridiculous. Popcorn, tissue. Look at these seats. Candy wrappers, more candy wrappers. Look at this. This car is filthy. Look at this. Oh, look at this, guys. Anyhow, I'm gonna just keep showing you dirt on top of dirt on top of dirt. If I don't clean the cars, she will not clean the cars. So I just wanted to show you guys, man, if you got a baby mama, don't let her use your car. Anyhow, you guys know from a couple of videos ago that the BMW is in the shop. Oh no, I didn't tell you guys. Yeah, the BMW is in the shop because it's hot out here now and I have no AC. So I'm going to pick that up today. It's finally ready and I'm going to pick that up today. So, you know, we gotta start getting them all back together. And when I get back home, I'll show you the problem with the Hummer. But for those of you who pay attention, you should already know what's going on with that one.
Ready.
There goes my little angel. Does she look ready to you guys? Oh, let's hope so.
Next morning.
All right, guys. We just picked up Lupita. We're at Paladin Automotive. And let's see. Oh, okay. We now have AC. Oh, these seats are hot. But we are back in the E60 chassis. And yeah, man, this is one car that's coming back. So I know this video was about all the cars that are down. And technically this one was down because it's been here for about a week. And now we have it. So we can scratch this one off the list. And it's super dirty, so we definitely need a wash. So before we get started on this problem again, in case you missed it, this is exactly why I got to get the Audi back, because look what No Drama does. She pulls in here mad close. She's tearing up all the shoe boxes. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. And then she runs over my LED rope lighting. I hope this thing still works. I hope so. And then doesn't even have the decency to pick it up. Yeah, that car is just way too big for her. Way too big. Yeah, we gotta get her a new car. We gotta hurry up and get her car back to her. Anyway, this battery is toast. So check this out. See? I don't know if that's the battery or the alternator. But either way, I'm gonna get a new battery anyway. And I'm gonna get the biggest, baddest battery available for a car like this that has a music system, a satellite on top. This thing has the alarm, has a lot of stuff going on with it. So there's a lot of power being drawn from this. So that battery is an Odyssey, and it's about $366. So butter's down. As you see, we just got Lupita back. So we can't speak for Lupita right now, but everything else is down. So with the exception of Lupita, because obviously we just got her back, butter's down. The CLS is down. The Audi No Drama Baby Mama has. Ryan, the Monte Carlo SS is still down. The K5 is still down. What else do I have? Is that it? Do I only have like 5 cars? Well, either way, it's definitely time to add more cars to the garage. Don't ask me why, but it just is. I only have 5 cars? 4 or 5 cars? You know what else I forgot? Oh, snap. I got 240 pounds. So the dumbbell, the gym is expanding. No, but what I forgot to tell you guys is that my fork seals are busted on here. So when you're trying to turn, you can only go in a straight line on this. And when you try to turn, it doesn't want to turn. It just, yeah. So, Pretty is also down. And Gotti, I told you guys before, so if you watch the channel, you know that the registration on this one, no, it's not the registration, it's the insurance. So either way, Gotti is down. This is Mama Gotti, and Gotti is down. So when I take this out, they see me rolling, they hating. Yeah, y'all. I just got to get my life together. I got to.